Hey there, it's Naveen, and today we're going to talk about the ins and outs of NordVPN. I've given this VPN a real test drive, checking out its speed, security, streaming, and even customer support. If you're on the fence of getting a VPN, then this review will help you check out if NordVPN is the right fit. First, let's talk money. NordVPN's pricing is like those infomercial deals that seem too good to be true. Tempting, but what's the catch? I'll break down the plans and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash or not. The NordVPN cost starts at $3.99 a month if you go for the 2-year plus plan. At least that's the price as of this video. I got 73% off and an extra 3 months free, all without needing any special NordVPN discount. There are also other plans available in case you're looking for something else. Security is no joke, especially when you're trying to stay under the radar online. NordVPN's got your back with AES 256-bit encryption and fancy extras like Double VPN and Onion over VPN. I put NordVPN through the ringer with leak test. Spoiler alert, no leaks. Then I tested its threat protection feature by visiting sketchy sites and downloading risky files. Good news, NordVPN blocked all the baddies. There's literally nothing worse than slow connection, especially when you're trying to download the latest meme before it goes stale. I tested NordVPN speed across servers in the US, Europe, and Asia. Let's see if it can keep up with my need for speed. Starting with a base speed of 100 Mbps, the US servers held strong at around 85 Mbps. Awesome! Some Asian servers dipped to around 65 Mbps, which is still decent, but something to keep in mind if consistency is your jam. Streaming and torrenting are where VPNs really earn their stripes. I mean, who doesn't have a good bitch, right? I tested NordVPN with Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer to see if they could really break through the geo blocks, and the results, they shocked me. NordVPN unblocked all platforms with hardly any buffering. For torrenting, I used popular P2P networks. NordVPN delivered steady download speeds, and its dedicated P2P servers really kept the downloads flowing. A VPN's ease of use can either make or break your experience. I tested NordVPN with almost everything, from my grandma's old laptop to my new shining gaming device. And guess what? Installation was easy across all devices. Switching servers was seamless on Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac. And the interface was pretty user-friendly. Compatibility was broad, and each device that I tested operated efficiently. Good customer support is like a reliable friend, the one that's always there for you. I tested NordVPN support to see if they can handle my tech troubles, just like that one friend that can handle my mood swings. The live chat responded within minutes and provided pretty knowledgeable answers. However, the email responses took longer, about 2 hours, but were equally helpful and detailed. So there you have it, a full-on review of NordVPN. It's like your trusty sidekick, the one that can protect you online and give you the freedom to stream anything you like. So if you're looking for a VPN with tons of features, then you should definitely check out NordVPN. And if you're on a budget, then you can check out the NordVPN discount through our link. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching!